Sige po.
Ichiban.
Norimasu, nore, noruna,
Ay, nibang.
mimasu, miruna,
Ay, sambang.
nomimasu, nomuna,
Good. Yambang.
demasu, deruna,
Okay. Gobang.
dashimasu, dasuna, undo
Yes.
shimasu, undo shiro, undo suruna,
Ay, nanabang.
abimasu, abiruna,
Ay, because it's group 2, no? Okay, hachibang.
ikimasu, ikona,
Hi, kyubang.
tsurete kimasu, tsurete koi, tsurete koruna.
Very good. And number 10.
Machimasu, matsuna.
Very good. Okay, hi. For number 2, we have particles. So, reibun ikimashou. Te ni yakedo o shite shimaimashita. Okay, nagka-burn siya sa kanyang kamay. So, now, you're going to supply the proper particles. Okay, ikimashou, ichibang.
Kono ji ni nan to yomimasu ka?
So, this would be kono ji wa. This character, so that's the topic, right? So, kono ji wa nanto yomimasu ka? So, wa to particle. Okay, nibang.
Asoko ni tomare to, ano po yun?
Aite arimasu.
Aite arimasu.
Okay, very good. Kasi asoko ni is a place. So, you put ni, may nakasulat doon na tomare. Okay, good. Ni to pattern. Sambang?
Suki e itara kega ga chūi shite kudasai.
Ski, ski is skiing, right? Skiing. So, it should be ski ni itara. Go for skiing. That's the, meaning. Ski ni itara kega. What is your answer?
Ga.
Chūi shite kudasai. Mag-ingat sa. So, kega ni, di ba, be aware of. So, lagi tayong ni, chūi shite kudasai. Okay, yombang. Yamada-san wa. Nasabi ko na, sorry.
Mali ako. Wa. Yamada-san ga kasi pinilagay ko. Yamada-san ga ima seki ga hasu shite imasu.
Seki is yung upuan, and then hazu shite imasu ay away sa upuan niya. So it should be o. Seki o hazu shite imasu, and then this one is Yamada-san wa ima seki o hazu shite imasu. Wa, because Tanaka-san is the topic. Okay, Jago bang.
Reporto wa ishukan inai o dashite kudasai.
Ishukan is 1 week, no? Within 1 week. So it should be ni. Within 1 week ni dashite kudasai.
Ay, ni?
Hi. So reporto wa ishukan inai ni dashite kudasai. Hi, okay. Very good. Ay, stop share ko. Kuminasay. Wait lang.